Let's get started with Bitcoin, because South Korea now saying that they might be requiring the disclosure of real names for cryptocurrency transactions. How big of an impact will this have when anonymity is taken away?
Shery, you hit right on the head. I mean, Bitcoin was founded on the anonymity of everyone, and having your name on a ledger is going to have a lot of those 2/3 of Bitcoin holders that have never sold. They're going to start selling, and that's what you saw overnight. You had that huge pullback. I think we have resistance at 13,500, but on very light volume. Only 500 contracts trade here at the CME. As an equivalent on the WTI Feb contract, we've traded almost 150,000 contracts today, so very light volume, but that move was sharp to the downside overnight.
Yeah, we are seeing prices, though, being sustained past 14,000. Where can Bitcoin find that short-term support and also resistance?
Yep. I think short-term support is about 13,500. We've hit it against that the last couple of trading sessions, but ultimately I think it moves lower and tests last week's lows around 12,400 in the futures contract.
Also, let's move on to oil, because outages in Libya, also the North Sea, have put supply risks in play. What will it look like in 2018 if the OPEC output curbs continue?
I think OPEC has done a fantastic job. I think worldwide inventories, you've seen a massive decrease, and the bears in oil that want that price to come back down into that range around 50 have always said the U.S. shale, is going to really take into account, and U.S. inventories are going to climb. Well, the numbers aren't showing that. So ultimately, I think that you've got that move up to $60 right now. There's a little resistance here in the last couple of trading sessions on light volume, but the key number is 62.50. The 62.50 is the only place where the futures pump their brakes on the way down from 100. So I think that if we are able to extend gains above that number, you're going to see a massive rally up into the 70s, possibly first quarter.